Well, hey guys, welcome back to another adventure with Nubby. We're talking about a certain something that's behind me. Oh no, it is a bell. The old school bell was cast and installed in the newly constructed McDonald school in 1875 by the Chaplain Fulton Company of Pittsburgh. For 75 years, the bell rang out to the students of McDonald elementary and high school. It was time to go to class. The bell it is associated with 4 light clocks faces automatically rang, kept the community informed the proper time throughout the day and night. The bell had a clear and mellow tone to it, so it can be heard for miles around, especially when we're down here in a valley. The bell carries the name of the school board members at the time: David Brown, President; John A. McLaughlin, Secretary; William Young, Treasurer; Harry Prance, Lois Chaplin; Wayne Woodring. The new school building contractor, J.M. Anderson, also appears. In anticipation of the old school building being raised, the bell, the clock were removed. The bell and the clock were removed from the school attire in the 1970s. After remodeling, they were stored in various places around town. New to for their use, it didn't work out and was placed the bell in the Heritage Park. The clock, unfortunately, it's somewhere, but you don't know exactly where it is. July 4th, the bell was featured during McDonald's National Bicentennial Celebration, then mounted here in Heritage Park on July 31st, 1976. The old bell will always remain a classic piece of McDonald's long and proud history. Oh, cool, it's still got everything in it. And of course you have to have the flag at. You guys want to stop and read that all? That's the school. That's the oil field, which is in another video. I hope yous have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe. I'll catch yins on the next one. See yins later.